Hello children, we already completed 4 lessons. Okay, first lesson super senses, second lesson is snake charmer story, third lesson from tasting to digesting, and fourth lesson mangoes round the ear. Okay children, you already wrote an assignment on the lesson super senses. Now, in this class, you have to write the assignment on the lesson a snake charmer story and from tasting to digesting. Okay, before writing the assignment, you have to read the lesson in your textbook. Okay, children, second lesson and third lesson. In second lesson, snake charmer story. Okay, yes. What was the lesson? How they survive, how the snake charmers survive. Okay, so like snake charmers, remaining people like Tonga, Horsecoat, they are moved from one place to another. They carry the people and goods from one place to another. So like that they have to survive. Okay children. Okay, and third lesson from tasting to digesting. In this lesson we discussed about Julan and Jumpa and different kind of tastes. So sweet, bitter. Okay, so we have to recognize these kind of tastes on our tongue in different regions. That means tip of our tongue, sides of tongue and backside of the tongue. We have to recognize different kind of tastes. Okay, and digestion. So when we take different kind of foods, it move from mouth. When we take different kind of food items, it move from our mouth. Okay, from mouth to different parts. From mouth, and it moves in the food canal, that means food pipe. It passes to food pipe, it reaches our stomach. Okay, here digestion will start. Not only here, in our mouth food was digestion was started. Okay, with the help of saliva. Okay children, so remaining digestion was completed in our stomach. It moves from small intestine, large intestine, and it was digested, and our stomach walls or our cells take useful materials, oxygen, carbohydrates, proteins. So it take from food items and it gives us energy to do our metabolic activities. And waste material was excreted through anus. Okay, this is the third lesson from tasting to digestion. Okay, so you have to write the assignment on these two lessons. Okay children, once I will read these questions, listen carefully and you have to write the answers for 5 marks. Okay children, okay, write your own answers. I will give you these questions answers for you. Okay, once read those answers and you have to write in different way. That means you have to write in your own words. Okay, so listen carefully. First question, like snake charmers, which other people depend on animals for their livelihood? Livelihood means for their survival. Okay children, once again I will repeat the question. Like snake charmers, which other people depend on animals for their livelihood? Okay, next, the government has made a law that no one can catch and keep snakes. What do you think about this law? Give reasons for your answer and write in your own words. Okay, I will repeat again. The government has made a law that no one can catch and keep snakes. What do you think about this law? Give reasons for your answer and write in your own words. You have to write Write these answers for 5 marks. Okay. Now third one. If someone were to put a few seeds of any seeds means soap seeds. When we went to restaurants, they will give us some seeds. We call it as soap. Okay, that is called any seed. Okay, if someone were to put a few seeds of any seed on your tongue, would be able to tell without your eyes closed. How? Okay, next question. Neetu's teacher used to tell the girls to have glucose while playing hockey. Why do you think she did this? Okay, once again, Neetu's teacher used to tell the girls to have glucose while playing hockey. Why do you think she did this? Okay, next one. Next, fifth question. Imagine that you are an animal in a cage. Think how you would feel. Complete the following sentences. Okay, this is for 10 marks. I am afraid when. I am means you. I means you. You are afraid when. When you feel afraid, you have to write this answer. Next. I wish I. I means you. Okay, next. I am sad when. If I had a chance, I would. Okay. I do not like it at all when. Here I means you. Think you. Okay. So you have to think like this and you have to write this in your own words, own answers. When you feel afraid, what was your wish? When you feel sad, okay, if you have a chance, what you have to do? Okay, so like these answers. Next, sixth question. Name the 4 types of poisonous snakes. Okay, children. Okay, read your textbook and write this answer. Okay, next, match the following. Okay, column, you have to match the words in column with column B. First one, snake. Second, lemon, Emily, taste buds, glucose, good food. Okay, so this you have to match with column B. See here, A, tongue, very weak, fangs, good health, tamarind, sore. Okay, you have to match column A with column B. Okay, children, once again I will show you. See these questions clearly and write the answers. Okay, children. Okay, children, complete the assignment and send me through WhatsApp. Thank you.